Do you have an Apple TV Pro kit provided by Playlister and are stuck on a white screen, need to switch the Wi-Fi, or can't reach the Apple TV menu? Follow these simple steps. You'll need your Apple TV's remote. Both remote styles are pictured above. With the Apple TV remote, hold down the menu and home buttons simultaneously until the light on the Apple TV starts flashing, and then release both buttons. This will cause the Apple TV to restart. Wait until the Apple TV restarts, and you see the white screen again. Then repeat holding down the menu and home buttons simultaneously 4 more times. On the 5th restart, the Apple TV will be in recovery mode. Select the option that says Reset All Settings. The Apple TV will restart and update itself. During the restart, enter the Wi-Fi info you want. Playlister will automatically reinstall. You should be all set now. If you see a black screen after the reset, that means the Playlister app did not reinstall after the reset. Playlister did not install because the internet you connected the Apple TV to is not working. Please email support@playlister.app with the asset tag number for the Pro Apple TV, and we will help.